Lexus IS300 unable to accelerate out of revving the engine. We started up the engine out of revving. I will get out of the car and see how I will diagnose it without using a fuel pump tester. This is another symptom of defective fuel pump. The other one I was uploaded, the Dodge Durango, it's a defective fuel pump, but it's hard starting. Our experienced technician is unutilized to use fuel pump pressure tester because of familiarity in engine port. Here, as I'm revving the engine, isn't responding. It seems like mass airflow malfunction. Now, I'm out of the vehicle and watch carefully how I will increase the engine revving. My assistant is sitting in the car and I commanded him to accelerate moderately. Did you hear the engine out of acceleration?
Where's the brake cleaner?
Now I will spray a brake cleaner just to know if the engine revolutions will increase. Watch, if I will spray, there's a great reaction of the engine. It continuously is spraying the engine rev, responds immediately with a loud air-sucking sound. I am proud of this kind of diagnosis without fuel tester tool. Why? Because I cut the port with a matter of a moment only, and this is called well-experienced or certified diagnosis. Did you hear that? I can rev the engine at high RPM. I hope this such kind of diagnosis will bear in mind on you and helpful as additional experience in auto mechanics.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.